Okay, so here we have one of our little Tello drones. It's a remotely piloted aircraft, or RPA, quadcopter, 4 propellers. Okay, the battery goes into the rear of the Tello. Look for where the little metal connections are. Slide that battery in and click it into place. And you'll find the button to turn the power on just on the side. Hold it in for a little while and the lights will come on the front and she's good to go. Alright, so next up what you need to do, yep, that's good. Next up you need to open up your iPad, go to Wi-Fi, and the drone will come up in the menu of Wi-Fi devices. Click on that drone, okay, and it will connect as an unsecured network. And it should be good to go. Yep. Okay, drone's good, iPad's good. Okay, now next up we open up the app Tello. Alright, so it comes up with a couple of different options here. Okay, we have the red controller and then we have the green puzzle piece. We'll start with the red one first. Okay, up in the top left hand corner it should connect to the drone, which it has. There's your battery. It has 2 modes of controlling it, okay, mode 1 and mode 2, and that just changes which side does up, down, side, side, and forwards, backwards, and turning circles. So work out which one suits you. I think I like mode 2 better. Alright, there they are. Okay, next up we have the button that's for taking off and landing. Across the middle there we have flipping it, okay, and down the bottom we have the speed. If you're not very good at controlling it, just have the speed slow. Alright, let's hit that takeoff button and we're away. Look at us go. Okay, so the drone will automatically go up to about 1 meter in height, then it will wait for you to start controlling it. Alright, so let's turn some circles. Yep, there we go. What are we doing? Anti-clockwise. Go back the other way and we're going clockwise. Alright. Forwards and backwards. Where's that speed again? Okay, so forwards, backwards, side to side. Turning some to the right. Oh, okay, and turning back to the left. So the controls are pretty easy to use. It's a pretty straightforward process. Okay, you can go up, of course, and down. Don't stress too much if you crash it into something. With those prop guards it tends to bounce off pretty well. And it seems to land pretty well because it's such a lightweight little drone. Okay, going sideways. And yep, on this way, sideways, there we go, sideways, sideways. I think that's called yaw. You've got yaw and pitch. Okay, and I might get it to land. Here we go, push the land button and down she goes. There we go, it turns itself automatically off. Alright, so next up, oh yeah, I forgot to show you these. These are the 360 flip buttons. They're pretty cool. Hey, oh, there she goes, we're flipping. Okay, you got to wait for the buttons to go wide around the outside, then you can push them and it will do a flip for you. Here we go. Let's get ready. There we go, flip. It's pretty amazing that a drone can actually do that, hey. So I can flip sideways to the left and to the right, and it can do forward flips and backward flips. Hey, watch out, nearly flipped it on myself. Okay. Alright, so that's how it does flips. Pretty cool. Okay, I'll just land the drone in a sec. Move it away a little bit. There you go, land it. Okay, so it's the flip feature. Okay, if you hit that arrow there and you go into the puzzle piece, okay, this is like doing coding with the drone. Up the top it's got tap to start, and then down the side it's got all your different commands that you can use. Okay, you go to the first one, motion. Always start with takeoff. If you don't put takeoff on there first, nothing's going to happen. So takeoff, then we might make it go up. It's 100 centimeters. Tap on the number and you can change it. Change it to 50. All right, what will we do next? Okay, so let's go, what's that one? Forward, 100 centimeters or forward a meter. We might go to the side a little bit. Okay, so you like hold it and drag it across, right? 100. Oh no, I'm going to change it 50 centimeters. Then what will we do next? We might add in a left yaw. So it's like a left turn. Make it do 180 degrees, so I'll turn back the way it's come. And we might make it go forward again. Oh no, we're doing a flip, a front flip. And then we'll put land on there and we'll land it. Okay, so we've written our program. There it is, all the commands there. Tap to start. The drone starts and off she goes, and it will perform those commands for you. So it's going up. We'll go forwards. Shows you on the screen what it's up to. Now we'll turn 180 degrees of your, there is the flip. And let's move forward and it's going to land, and oh, you nearly got me on the toe. Lucky.